What up, YouTube? This is your boy. Hlatse.Tea, Tea for a while, Tea for you, because you know we're always keeping people warm out here on the tune.
Just woke up this morning and told myself I need more rest. I've died before, sleeping on the powers in both of my hands. I'm kicking and hitting your wisdom, inspiring all of my fans. Only I won't be signing my life away just for a brand.
It's day 2, baby. It's day 2 of the vlog. Today we're gonna head to the Kruger National Park. You know, Shababo Mayang game drive one time. So it's the game drive. We just ate breakfast right now. Game drive is gonna start at 1 till like 6. Like I'm gonna my 5 hours. You know, my 5 hours. Today there's not gonna be much content. It's just gonna be nature reserve. You know, vibes with the family. You know, yeah, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, baba. Ciao. Hey yo, what up YouTube? Right now, just finished partying. We are heading out to the safari. Sagu game drive, quick fasty. Outfit on. About this party, about the safari trip. Yeah, it's the safari trip, boy. So yeah, we going to the safari right now. So bugela ibubezi, yes, ibubezi. So boni ibubezi, man.
We have to take your money.
Now you can search me on TikTok. Let me search you how much.
You know TikTok, Facebook.
Safari ya no, abana nna ka berebo safari. O se ba ka berebo safari, o bona di tau. Ai di tau. What up YouTube? We just got to where we're gonna be game driving. We're at the Kruger. I don't know if you guys can see it. At the Kruger National Park, the Crocodile Bridge Gates, young tall. So we're just gonna coil out here for a couple of hours. I think the game drive is like 4 hours. So yeah, come with me, let's go check out the store. What am I doing? I get to. Pero kadi jo rita naga koro sabato chua kama dulu. Kena ko guys. Yeah. What am I doing?
Okay.
I what? Yeah. Good up. I wonder if we have a flat tire. Yeah. What do we call that tire? The one we have. The black tire. What did we have today? But yeah, with the T, it's a spare with the T, spare tire. Hey yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Hlatse.Tea for the white T for Baba, because you know I'm always keeping people out on the streets. Today we zip lining, doing a couple of bungee jumping. We're at Hlatse.Tea. Yo, guys, it was a crazy weekend. May have been sleeping. And yeah, let's go see what's happening inside here, man. The weekend is not over yet. Let's get it. Yeah, YouTube, as you can see, we're in the wilderness. In the wilderness. Holiday is not yet over. Still gonna do a couple of bungee jumping, you know, maybe zip lining here and there. But this place is beautiful, man. This place is beautiful. About yesterday's vlog, I couldn't finish the vlog after the nature reserve because like yo, I was so tired. No one told me that we were actually gonna drive in the middle of nowhere for like 5 hours trying to find Mona Dau, Namaya Dau. I guess I went to but yesterday was pretty cool. Got to see 3 of the big 5, of which is really cool. Yeah, man, let's enjoy the last day on vacation. Mpumalanga vlog dropping soon. Yeah, man, let's just hit it. On to the end. That's gonna zip line. So just got my zip lining tag and my big swing. I'm low-key scared. I'm low-key scared. Don't wanna lie. I'm low-key scared. But yeah, man. Just did the zip lining. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Like, it's so amazing. This place is actually beautiful from like the line. So right now I'm going to do the jump. I hope my ancestors are with me today, so that when I jump, that the rope doesn't proper, you know. But it's a very nice one. Let's go to the big swing. I was a girl for some moments there in the sky. Mama Kuta said, just scream. My camp. It was nice. It was nice. It was really nice. Thank you. Shout out, good man. Hey, yo, guys. I had fun, man. It was a nice experience. Make sure that you guys come here and try these things, man. There was a point where now I wanna feel now it's on the rope. I need to go back off and